Here's my boat out of the water. It is an IS-25 built by Independent Shipwrights, 25-foot diesel trawler with a 44 horsepower Yanmar engine. So I've just done the bottom paint on the boat, 2 layers of International XXX bottom coat, and I've waxed the hull, polish and wax the hull. So I'll just show you what the hull looks like. It's got 2 stabilizer bilge keels. Helps keep the boat upright and from rocking too much, because it's a fairly narrow boat. Makes it track very well in the water as well. Steers very straight, hardly need to touch the wheel at all. So I'll show you the running gear. What we've got here is we've got the prop, which is 18-inch, 13-inch pitch right hand. I just had the prop shaft straightened. I pulled it out. It's an 1.25 inch prop shaft, approximately 10 feet long. I pulled it out and had it straightened. It was quite bent at the tapered end where the prop is, because I guess the previous owner had hit something and probably had it wedged between the prop and the steel shoe here. So there's the rudder. It's a pretty big rudder. So the boat steers very well and easily. I'll just get you some more views of the boat. It's a bit sunny right now, so it's a little difficult to get it looking good. You see the bilge keel again. It's an exhaust outlet and the manual bilge pump through hull. So I'll just walk back a bit so we try to get a better view of the boat. And that's probably about all I need to show you. So there we go. Gulf Mariner, ready for the water.